This isn't a truck, it's a 600 HP LS3 powered classic built to outmuscle modern supercars. Rolling out of the shadows of American truck history comes something that doesn't just restore a legend, it reinvents it. What you're looking at is a 1972 GMC CKK pickup 4x4 Restomod, rebuilt from the ground up into a high-performance luxury off-road machine that carries the soul of a classic and the heart of a modern supertruck. It sits with presence, not as a relic of the past, but as a statement that old-school American steel can still dominate in a world obsessed with new technology. Under the hood, everything begins with power. A 600 LGM LS3 V8, professionally built in a Stage 2 configuration, delivers an estimated 525 horsepower with potential tuning capability pushing close to 600 horsepower. This is not a nostalgic engine swap done for sound alone. It's a precision-built modern power plant, fuel-injected for reliability, instant throttle response, and effortless drivability in any condition. Paired with a 6L80E 6-speed automatic transmission, every shift is smooth, controlled, and designed for both highway cruising and aggressive acceleration when the road opens up. The drivetrain continues the theme of modern capability hidden beneath classic design. A factory-style posi rear end with 3.551 gearing ensures strong traction whether you're launching from a stop or crawling through uneven terrain. A modern GM manual transfer case brings true 4WD capability, making this truck as comfortable on dirt trails as it is on pavement. MagnaFlow stainless dual exhaust with a Y-pipe and Doug Thorley headers gives the LS3 a deep, controlled rumble, refined at idle, aggressive under load, and unmistakably American when pushed. Cooling and reliability were engineered to match the performance. An aluminum radiator, electric cooling fans, and modern fuel injection system ensure that even in demanding conditions, the LS3 runs cool, consistent, and efficient. Hydro Boost power braking delivers modern stopping force with confidence, while power rack and pinion steering replaces old mechanical effort with precise, responsive control. Cruise control and air conditioning complete the modern driving experience, making long journeys effortless instead of exhausting. Beneath it all sits the foundation that truly transforms this truck, a Frame-Werx 4WD chassis. This is not a restoration of old bones, it is a complete re-engineering of structure and suspension. GM independent front suspension paired with a 4-link rear setup gives the truck modern handling characteristics that the original 1972 platform could never achieve. Fox coilovers in the front and Fox shocks in the rear absorb impact with performance-grade control, keeping the truck planted, stable, and composed even when the terrain gets rough. Sway bars front and rear reduce body roll, adding confidence in every turn. The frame itself is black painted, clean, and purpose-built. New brake lines, fuel lines, and hardware ensure that every critical system is fresh, reliable, and designed for longevity. This is a truck built not just to look restored, but to function like a modern performance machine underneath. Visually, the exterior carries a bold identity. A gloss orange two-tone finish defines its personality instantly, bright, confident, and impossible to ignore. Factory-style GMC badging keeps the heritage intact, while chrome accents add contrast and detail across the body. A 4-inch BDS lift kit gives it commanding height, while 18-inch Mayhem Voyager wheels wrapped in aggressive 35x1250 R18 Toyo tires give it a planted, muscular stance. The details elevate it beyond standard Restomod territory. A fuel cap relocation paired with a custom taillight fuel fill integrates modern functionality into vintage design without breaking visual flow. AMP power running boards deploy with precision, making entry effortless despite its lifted stance. A wood bed floor with dark stain adds craftsmanship and warmth, reminding you this is still a classic pickup at its core. A backup camera and tow package add daily usability, turning this into a machine that is just as practical as it is powerful. Step inside, and the transformation becomes even more dramatic. The interior is a fusion of vintage inspiration and modern luxury. Custom houndstooth seating with orange accents sets the tone immediately, retro influence reimagined in a premium execution. Reclining bucket seats replace the original bench for comfort and support, while a center console with a folding armrest adds convenience for modern driving. The dashboard is anchored by a Dakota Digital RTX gauge cluster, delivering precise digital readouts in a retro-inspired design that respects the truck's heritage. An Adit tilt steering column paired with a factory-style steering wheel maintains authenticity while improving ergonomics. Power windows, power locks, keyless entry, and a full security system bring everyday convenience that the original truck could never offer. Climate control is fully modernized with factory-style air conditioning and heat integration, ensuring comfort in every season. Entertainment and navigation are handled by a Pioneer 9-inch touchscreen system with Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, and navigation support, powered through an 8-speaker audio system that fills the cabin with clarity and depth. Every surface inside the cabin feels intentional. Gray carpeting balances the bold interior accents, while new door panels and refined trim pieces complete a cohesive, custom-built environment. Nothing feels accidental. Everything is designed, comfort, and visual impact. What makes this 1972 GMC CKK pickup truly special is the balance it achieves. It is not just a showpiece, not just a restoration, and not just a performance build. It is all three combined into one machine that respects its heritage while fully embracing modern engineering. From the LS3 power plant to the Frame-Werx chassis, from Fox suspension to luxury interior tech, every inch has been reimagined with purpose at a price point of $299,900. This Restomod exists in the highest tier of custom automotive craftsmanship. It represents time, precision, and engineering without compromise. It's a truck built not just to be seen, but to be experienced, driven, and remembered long after it disappears down the road.